Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Upnext. I'm gonna come back with another video. Hey, man, see, man, look. Shout out to DDG Live, man. DDG proved the hate is only on the internet. We about to hop straight into it. Let's go. Make sure I hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notification. Obviously, this is the video where he shows you the Rolling Loud. So we're just gonna skip to the Rolling.
I had that rocking. Let me show y'all. Rocking, nigga. Off. I'm geeking though. Hold on. Look, what's the name went crazy, but I'm geeking. I had that
pink dreads.
I got the gun in my pocket. All of this rapping, this shit just an option. I'm finna cook it, it's too bad crock it. I'm finna take with that little bitch, they drinking and twerking. Talk about some stories, my shorty be lucky. Can't stop the grind for no bitch, it ain't working. Go to Milan for the week of the fashion. Addicted to dressing, I drip with a passion. That nigga knowing that.
Oh, man.
No cow. Horrible.
So we're gonna act like DDG is not looking sickly.
You're looking sickly. Look at your fake hair. Look at your fake eyelashes. Look at that pimple right in the. You stressing. Look at that pimple right there. You're stressing. See, a lot of people get on this internet shit and they project their feelings. I know this because I'm a creator and I get hate comments sometimes, and you know you're gonna get haters every now and then. If you ain't got no haters, you ain't popping, right? So I get hate every now and then, right? I just look at the comment and I go to their profile. It says joined 20 years ago, 2 videos, 3 subscribers. And I just gotta reply back to him like, bro, you joined 20 years ago. You have 3 subscribers. Oh, I don't do content. So why are you coming over here criticizing my content when you don't even do it? That's like me sitting right here, not even sitting here. That's like me trying to comment up under Michael Jordan picture or something like that, or LeBron James picture, and be like, nigga, it's only 40,000 points. The fuck? You join the NBA. You first join the NBA, which is a hard task to do. Damn near extremely hard task to do, right? Then you go for 40,000 points on the NBA players that joined the league. Come on, man.
I'm talking about aside from that leg thing that they said on his stream the other day. I'm talking about literally look at the man. He's losing weight. You can see it in his face. He's looking stressed. He do not look the same. He do not look the same. And that is what happens when a man don't do right by his family.
She dumb as hell, bro.
I feel you, but you cute though.
Oh my God, wait.
OMG, wait. Now I'm embarrassed. It's not real, y'all. That's what I'm trying to display to everybody. It's not real. It's not real. It's fake.
It's fake.
That's why I be trying to tell y'all, bro. Like, don't let whatever y'all see on Shade Room, Twitter, whatever, make y'all change y'all mind about me.
The internet be
They only hating on me because they want me to they self. They want y'all to feed into their narratives so they can have me all to they self. These women love me.
Facts.
They love me.
Chopped cheese. That's crazy. Me supporting DJ Rap Cook.
When I'm out of town, I be tripping, I be on one.
But he was nice, coming in and calling me cute.
That's all they want.
That's all they want.
All they want is a little bit of love.
That's all they want. I'm trying to tell y'all, bro. All they need is a hug. All they need is a hug, bro. I swear to God.
See, this is what I be trying to tell y'all, bro. All these girls that be hating on me got a crush on me. Listen, sweetie, as long as you don't go too far as the girl from yesterday and say that I died, I don't give a what you tweeted. If you cute, you cute. As long as you don't go as far as the lady from yesterday, the flight attendant, and tell me that you want me to die, I forgive you. You know? It's okay. But I just want to show y'all it's fake. It's not real, y'all. Everyone loves me.
Facts.
In real life.
In real life, not on the internet.
That's just how it is. It's okay though, I forgive you.
So.
But yeah, I'm not sick, okay? As far as I'm concerned, I'm healthy. That's what the doctor told me. He said I'm good. I haven't went and got my compression socks yet though.
Damn.
But I will order them. Matter of fact, I will order them on stream. I think I can get them from like a Walgreens or something. Put my little socks on, and then I should be back good.
Walk in the store, goddamn, get them bitches.
But I'm not sick. It's okay. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. I forget y'all. I forget y'all, man.
Long live P2 though, for real, for real.
So we got to get right to it. The roomies want to know, is there anything going on with DDG and anything that you need to tell us?
Supernova girl with the 10 gifted.
Who is Tricky?
Anything going on with you and DDG? The roomies are asking.
Not the video. No, there's nothing going on with me and DDG. Me and DD are literally friends, only friends. He is doing his thing in the...
I ain't gonna lie, Shade Room. I might hit y'all email for a percentage.
They be on tilt, bro.
I gotta be paying at least a light bill in that month.
They be on tilt.
Gots to be.
They be on tilt.
Ain't the light bill, gotta be the water bill. Something. I'm contributing to something in that building.
Facts.
Why can't you stay organized?
I know he contributed to my channel, nigga. Shit, nigga. You gotta be contributing. You gotta
emailing y'all in a second.
Over here, you gotta contribute.
In the streaming space right now, I can say he is one of the leaders, and he always advocates for my growth. And
I never heard her use big words before.
Advocate.
Advocates. I like that.
CEO of Skytop Records, you're a legend.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. Is that my 8 minutes? Got 30 more seconds.
Nah, I'm doing a clip right now, my brother. I'll check it in a second. All right.
Come on, man. I got 30 more seconds, nigga.
Do this look like a nigga that ain't got no emotion? Like, I'll be having to show things like this because, you know, the general mind people honestly think like, I'm not him. So I just be having to like,
you gotta show it, bro.
Show them. You feel me?
You gotta tell them.
What's this at on Instagram? It's already
all right, y'all. Let's go.
800,000 views on Instagram in an hour. Like,
that's tough.